Hi everyone, this is Barry Steinberg from Xilica. I'm at the 2017 ISE show in Amsterdam. Xilica designs and manufactures digital audio processors and controls for the audio market. And our head office is in Canada, where we do all the design, and we actually have an office here in Amsterdam as well, and another office in Hong Kong. We make a number of digital processors and controls. This model here is called the Neutrino series, which is an open architecture drag and drop processor, which is the most popular and most common type of processor on the market. We also have our Uno series, which is in blue here, which is an app configured processor. And we have to have controls to control those. So in terms of wired controls, we have a series of wall controls that are really just on-off switches and level controls at different types. There's 5 models in that series actually. We also have, uniquely at its price point, a 7-inch touch control, surface or flush-mounted touch control that's multiple-page password protected at a really excellent price point, which is unique in the marketplace. And of course, like everybody else these days, some people want to use a wireless control, an iOS device or Android, and we have those free apps available on our website so that you can control our devices wirelessly with those devices as well. Big focus for a lot of audio companies, especially DSP companies right now in the last couple of years in particular, is Dante, which is a digital transport protocol that many of us are using. And we of course have processors that are Dante enabled. We have all kinds of interface devices that are Dante enabled, be a wall mounted device or external devices. And our focus really in the last 2 years has been working on our software to provide our users with some extra value and make life a little easier when they're programming their devices. So what we've done, we've incorporated some additional functionality into our software. First thing we did was make it Mac or PC, because we have a lot of users, in particular here in Europe, that prefer to use a Mac computer. So we've done that. By the end of 2017, we'll also be implementing universal protocol control. And functional right now, and the focus of this show is universal Dante configuration. And what that means is that with the DSP software, where you normally just configure the processor itself, we can also manage and configure the Dante device or all the Dante devices that are on the network. And so we do that simply by selecting one of the brands, and we've got a number of brands that are showing here in our menu right now. I've got a Teratech selected, so there's a number of models that belong to the Teratech family. They make some very nice Dante devices. We've got Ashley, we've got Allen Heath, we've got Audio-Technica, Bose. Yeah, as a matter of fact, under the RDL category, there's 23 different Dante devices. So all you do is select one of those devices, and I selected the DX210 from Teratech. You drop it into the work area, and now we can completely configure and manage that device in the software, the same software that you use to do all your DSP configuration. You do not have to use the Dante controller software application running as well, so it simplifies that process. And that's all for now, and this is Barry Steinberg from Xilica. Check some other things out on our website, www.xilica.com, and thanks for listening.